Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session with a new topic, that is human rights and fundamental rights. कल तक हम जो पढ़े थे वो डेमोक्रेसी एंड evolving आइडिया के बारे में पढ़े थे. In order to keep the people happy and live a dignified and respectful life in the society, what kind of mechanism should be established, or what form of the government should be present, and what are the circumstances, or what are the situations required, what need to be given, what ingredients are required in order to lead such life we have seen under the democracy to be successful. And we also have discussed the examples of majoritarianism and inclusiveness. The model of Belgium, the model of Sri Lanka also we have discussed. Now after that, let us move on to a new topic, human rights and fundamental rights, children. Rights, okay, we talk about I have a right, I have a right. That what are these rights? What kinds of rights do we have are guaranteed by the Constitution of India? So let us discuss about these human rights and fundamental rights, children. We came across various struggles of people to achieve equality with others in the previous chapter. Because India is such a country, you find wide inequalities, economic inequalities, social inequalities are there. So different kinds of inequality. Of course, political equality is present in the country, but economic and social inequalities are present. And even after independence, different forms of discrimination have not completely vanished. Even though the Constitution has guaranteed untouchability should be abolished, but still there are some certain areas where untouchability is still followed, and the equality, the concept of equality or the social status is not treated equally, and they are not respected equally. So there is a kind of discrimination. Discrimination बोले तो क्या है? Showing some kind of difference is called as a discrimination. So they developed a constitution with which would allow laws to emerge to meet the varying needs and the goals of the society. The society, when you live together, there are different needs, there are common goals are there. In order to achieve them, how to meet those emerging goals were specifically mentioned in the Constitution. The Constitution has envisaged a society that is based on certain principles listed in the preamble, and we have already learned in class 8th about the preamble of the Indian Constitution, that any law which violates the preamble will be struck down. Even though the government makes a law which is against to the preamble of the Indian Constitution, that will be struck down. That struck down in the sense that will be cut down by the Supreme Court of the country, because Supreme Court is considered as a watchdog of the Indian Constitution. So Supreme Court has the power even to cut off, even to delist the law which is brought by the Parliament. So let us learn about these rights. What are the rights actually? So under what categories does the government runs this mechanism, and how do we make these all to live a amicable and a harmonious society and living? Rights are reasonable claims of a person. What is a right? What is a right? Rights. What is a right? Right बोले तो क्या है? सर हमारे को हक है बोलते हैं, हक बोलते नहीं? Okay. The reasonable claims of a person. Reasonable claims. Reasonable claiming. Okay. The reasonable claims of the person is called as a right. So these claims are protected by law. Okay. जो इधर का law क्या बोलते the act, if it protects us, all of us would live very happily without being made feel inferior. Inferior बोल तो छोटे समझना. ओके वो लोग बड़े बोल के समझना. सुपीरियर और इन्फीरियर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी रहती थोड़े लोगों में. ओके थोड़े सेक्ट्स में, isn't it? थोड़े religions में. So we are majority, we are minority. So in order to remove this kind of inferiority, similarly we have responsibility to allow others also to enjoy their rights. हमार को कितना हक है कि हमारा rights हम enjoy करना. In the same way, the opposite also, the others also have the same responsibility and the same claim to enjoy his rights. So we need to respect others also to enjoy their rights. And the concept of equal rights has been changing on now. Okay, we have seen elsewhere that not everyone was treated equally all the time. Black people were treated as slaves, women were not given the priority, the right to property and so on. But today we would consider these as a unjust and violation of the person's rights. So about such kind of equality in the rights we shall understand from the next class, children. Thank you, children.